This is the ESP32 Smart Doorbell. It consists of two parts. The first part is a camera module, consisting of an ESP32 cam, a PIR Motion Sensor, and a power module. The camera streams a live feed over Wi-Fi for us to view. And this is the second module, consisting of an ESP12 and an SDR display. The ESP fetches the live stream from a local server and projects it on the display using SPI. Here you can see a live stream. If the doorbell button is pressed, it pushes a notification both on our phone and the security station. From our phone, we can view the live stream. Here there are multiple options, such as the flashlight and the motion sensor. The motion sensor works by checking variations in infrared light to detect motions. So here, the motion sensor was triggered, so it pushed a notification on the security station and our phone. This is a close-up of the security station. It always streams a live feed of the camera and notifies us if the doorbell has been pressed or if motion has been detected. From the app, if motion has been detected, we can use the alarm feature to scare away possible intruders by flashing the built-in LED fast. This is another demonstration of the live feed. Here you can also toggle the flashlight and use the alarm feature here.